Hey there, how are you guys doing? We are on book 3 of our 4-book campfire series. Yay! Thanks again, Jeremiah, for introducing me to these fabulous books. They're fun. I like them. Okay, we're going to read about Sleepy Bird. Look at that. He's all snuggled in. Sleepy? Do you think he's sleepy? Sleepy Bird. It was bedtime, but Bird was not ready to go to sleep. Uh-oh, that's a problem. His wings wanted to flap, his legs wanted to run, and all he wanted to do was play. Whee! Said Bird. It's party time. Yeah, that doesn't look like a bird who's ready to go to sleep to me. Fox was getting cozy when he heard Bird coming. Goodness, said Fox, that's a lot of noise for bedtime. I'm not tired, said Bird. Well, maybe if you hugged my blankie, said Fox. It helps me get sleepy. Blanky-schmanky, said Bird. Let's play. I don't know if Fox looks like he wants to play. What do you guys think? Fox was too sleepy to play, so Bird went to find Beaver, because he does have lots of friends. It's bedtime, Bird, said Beaver. Bedtime's for babies, said Bird. How about I read you a story, said Beaver. How about you don't, said Bird. He tapped Beaver on the arm. Tag, you're it. Yeah, Bird is not acting very tired, is he? Bird ran to Rabbit's house, but Beaver did not follow. Everybody says it's bedtime, said Bird, but I'm not tired. Want to snuggle my stuffed kitty, said Rabbit. A stuffed cat, said Bird. Are you trying to give me nightmares? Why would a stuffed cat give Bird nightmares? Yep, you're right. I think he was just trying to be a good friend. That Bird, I tell ya. Bird went to find Raccoon. Raccoon, said Bird, you'll play with me, right? Oh, it's bedtime, said Raccoon. I'm going to sing a soft lullaby and drift off to sleep. But you're nocturnal, said Bird. Do you guys know what nocturnal means? Why won't anyone play? How come his friends aren't playing with him? Yeah, because it's bedtime. They're sleepy. Bird flounced over to Sheep's place. You know what you need, said Sheep. New friends, said Bird. He's got a lot of sarcasm, doesn't he? You need to count sheep, said Sheep. That always helps me fall asleep. But there's only one of you, said Bird. How can you get sleepy counting to 1? Making some sense there. Bird stormed off. Look at that. Nothing's going his way, is it? If no one will play with me, then I'm just going to walk forever. That's a big threat. After a little while, his wings drooped and his legs crumpled. I am not tired, he cried. Why should I go to sleep? Bird's friends heard his cries and they came running. Because that's what good friends do. They help out friends, right? Fox covered Bird with his blankie. Beaver read him a story, and Rabbit tucked his stuffed kitty under Bird's wings. Raccoon sang a quiet song. Sheep counted herself until she got to 1 more time since she could count. I am not sleepy, mumbled Bird, and his eyes closed. Does he look sleepy now, friends? I think he does. And look at the book they're reading. sleepy bird, just like us. Finally, said his friends. I thought he'd never fall asleep, said Fox. See those Z's? That means he's sleeping. They lay down near Bird and they slept. Uh-oh. Bird rolled over. He opened his eyes. He yawned. He stretched. Hiya, said Bird. Who wants to play? Oh, Bird. He only took a nap. He was supposed to sleep for the whole night, wasn't he? It's bedtime. Are you sleepy? What do you guys do to help you fall asleep when it's time for bed? Do you snuggle with the Snuggle Bunny? Or do you read some bedtime stories? What do you do? What helps you sleep? Think about it. Until next time, you guys have a fabulous day or a fabulous night. Love you. Toodles.